In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to retire with over $1 million in your retirement account. The reason I decided to make this video and why it's so important is because there are so many Americans that didn't delay gratification and now they're going to be eating dog food in retirement. All joking aside, that's an extreme example, but a lot of people are really banking on Social Security because they didn't save up anything throughout their adult life and they're going to retire now and become a burden on their families. Do you want to be a burden on your family? I don't think so. So watch this video and I'm going to get right into the meat of it right away. The most powerful investment tool that you can use is a Roth IRA, in my opinion. The reason for that is because it is tax-free at the time of taking out the money because you're already contributing to it with after-tax dollars. So very simply said, let's just say you make $1,000 a week. Out of that $1,000, obviously things have been deducted, such as taxes, federal, local, state, things like that, and that money has already been taxed. So when you contribute to a Roth IRA, you are using money that is yours, your net dollars to contribute, meaning that when you go to take it out, no matter what tax bracket you're in, that money is your money, period. So let's check this out and see how powerful this is and how to actually retire with $1 million. So let's just say you're 18 years old, you just started working and you decided not to go to college, right? Let's say you take a blue-collar job, you're a plumber or you're an electrician and you end up making some decent money after your apprenticeship period is over. So you start retiring with literally $0 in your Roth IRA and you make an annual contribution of, let's say, $5,500 a year. So very simply put, $5,500 a year is not that much money, you guys. If you just break that out monthly, that's $458.33 a month. Most of us spend that on 2 nights going out, right? If you're going to the club, you're buying bottles, you're going to concerts, you're doing all this stuff that, most people at this age would be doing. I get it. But if you forego some of those experiences to be able to put this money away, you'll see how powerful this really is. So let's say this person stays blue collar and they know they're going to be working until age 65, right? Most of us don't want to work that long, but let's run the numbers. Our expected rate of return is going to be right around 7%, and our marginal tax rate doesn't matter because, again, these are after-tax dollars. So you can see this person right here in this actual real-life scenario where the market averages 7%. Typically, the market average is right around 9 or 10, but let's just use 7 for this example. This person would retire with just under $2 million at the age of 65. So you may say, hey, Marco, I don't want to retire when I'm 65. I want to retire when I'm 55. So let's use that as an example and see where that gets us. Even at the age of 55, you are still going to retire with just under $1 million. If you want to wait one more year longer, boom, there you go. You've retired at the age of 56 a millionaire just by making 7% on your money and putting away $5,500 every year from the age of 18. Now, let's look at how powerful this is. So this person started when they're 18, right? This is the power of compound interest, and I will be making a video about compound interest and how it can make you rich, right? So let's say the person, they wanted to go through their 20s and they're blowing money on, stupid stuff, Gucci belts and going out, throwing out money where they shouldn't be throwing it out, and they really get a wake-up call at age 30, okay? If this person starts investing at age 30, look at the difference if they invest the same amount of money, $404,000, as opposed to just investing for basically 12 years earlier at 18, $1 million. That's more than double. That's a $600,000 difference just by putting away $458.33 for 12 more years. So this person at 30, you can see here, they've contributed $143,000 for 26 years, right? And they're only walking away with $400,000. The person that starts at 18, you would think that they invest way more, right? $209,000. That's a difference of $66,000, yielding you a difference in retirement funds of over $600,000. So do you see how powerful that is? So I want to keep this video short and sweet, and I want you to share it with 2 people that you truly care about. And I also want you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. From now on, I'm only going to be dropping value bombs. There's going to be no fluff in this channel because I want to help you master your money and build your wealth. If you haven't done so already, please check out my stock market investing course. It is an ongoing course that I update literally daily. And also, if you feel like donating, I'm not on Patreon for reasons that I'm not going to go into on this channel. So please consider making a donation through PayPal. Thank you so much and have a prosperous day.